Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter the recovery mode on the Lenovo ThinkBook 14s. And in order to do so, you will need to begin by some simple step, which is checking if you have access to your Microsoft account. Of course, without that you technically can go to the recovery mode, but there's a chance that you won't be able to exit it, and we don't really want that because it'll make you need to reinstall Windows. By the way, there is a video on our channel how to install Windows, but you probably don't want to do that because it takes about an hour and also resets everything on your computer, deletes everything. So it's not worth it. It's better to simply do have access to your Microsoft account that you have logged in. So you just need to take another device that you may have and go to a website, which I'm gonna show you in a moment. This is the website you should go on, aka.ms/myrecoverykey. So I'm gonna go into that right now. And the website should show you this screen. You should log into your Microsoft account. And then also enter the password or select send code to send it to your email, because you need to verify with your email address anyway. And once it is done, you'll see this website. I can't show you the whole website, but it has the device name, key ID, recovery key, drive, and key upload date. And this is very important. These BitLocker recovery keys are very important because if you do anything in your recovery mode, then there's a high chance it will lock your drive with BitLocker, and you will need to enter your recovery key in order to unlock your drive. Otherwise you just need to reinstall Windows. There's no other option. And what if that shows, because I don't know if it shows, but if it does, I don't know if it'll show in my case. If it does, then you'll have the key ID written on the screen of your laptop, and the first section of it, because the ID will be quite long, the first section of it should match with key ID on the website. Then if it matches, then type in the recovery key, which is on the website on the right side of the key ID. By the way, the list is not sorted by date, so you probably won't find there's a high chance you won't find your laptop on the first position on the list if you have multiple devices set on your Microsoft account. Now, to enter the recovery mode, first you need to shut your laptop down. So that's what I'm gonna do. Of course, if it's currently off, then you probably don't need to do that because it's off. So I'm gonna click on shut down. And now wait for half a minute to make sure your laptop is fully off. Later on, don't press on the power button. Instead, use a pin, needle, or anything small enough to fit into a hole, which is on the left side of your laptop. I'm gonna show you that right now. Now I'm in the Novo button menu and I should select System Recovery. Now it'll go into the System Recovery, in which we're basically in, but I'm also gonna show you the BitLocker if it happens, because it not always happens, although it has a very high chance of actually occurring. I'm gonna show you the BitLocker in case it gets locked in your case. So you can do different stuff in this recovery mode. I'm gonna select Startup Settings, then click on Restart, and let's see if the BitLocker got locked. And yes, it does. So let's click on enter, and now you can see the recovery key ID right here. The first section of it, so the 07 something, should match with what's under key ID on the website, and as I said, it's not sorted by date, so I'm just gonna quickly find it. Then on the right side of it, it's the long recovery key which you need to enter. Now I have it entered, and if it was correct, then after clicking on enter, you can just continue with whatever you're doing in the recovery mode. So I'm just gonna click on 5 on my keyboard to enter safe mode with networking, and that's basically it for the recovery mode. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.